Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 0, Durban City 0. I'm joined by China.
Stephen Zayam, first of all, congratulations to you, boy. Congratulations to you. Another thing that I'm going to say,
yeah, sure.
We thank everyone who figure the mic because of our fans way to TV and not our fans way to TV without the people.
Yes,
South Africa channel. There are so many channels out there, but the channel abantu believe from me on behalf of our fans we are so happy for you guys.
Thank you.
This is what we wanted, and to Minister Gating, we are thankful to the minister for being fair to us as supporters. What choose are the people that we know that Benza this whole thing it be interesting. We are so grateful to minister, and it's rare to find such ministers as Konuguti communicate so we are so grateful. We'll always be grateful to the minister. So as sometimes be grateful and to go on about the game. Durban City, we need to give it credit. Durban City is the first team Ebuya NFD. Yabuya from NFD, Netbank Cup. From Netbank Cup, Yabuya yazodlala idrone Orlando Pirates today. And Durban City number 6 league. So this team from NFD to win in Netbank, from Netbank to be part of the top 8. So Durban City, you can tell that it is very solid with the unpopular players. There are no stars there. They are grooming stars, and then now they are able to hold the Pirates as yes, Pirates will win the league, but Uklanga team is one about Durban City, which are very solid as we are NFD without even our players are popular. So Zikona gives whereby if ever we're gonna look at the game, that must no kulumangazo. I think the Pirates somehow just failed in tactics at some point. In the best one no good to shoot outside the box. Police had the ball. But I think our policy decision making only today it was poor. He was supposed to shoot outside the box. Yes, the Pirates dominated the game. Durban City was well solid when it comes to defense. They were so defensive. So Zining is and Ukvala Stibo, you know what Stibo Masengvala. You know when you start a channel, when you start something, when you start a project, people bayakhona ukuthi bakubone craft yakho ikhula ungena lutho ungena next. But the minute craft yakho iqala kuba solid, baqale bakunika ama advices. Kuye kunenkulumo ke lapho thina esingamaXhosa ethwa kwinkulumo yami ezumXhosa kunenkulumo ethi unesefo mawuphila Stibo. Not every advice is grand, not every advice is good. I wrong. So those kettle advices abantu are turning now to be ama fans way to advisors. Seseka maningi ama advisors lana. So kula ma advisors ozawathola ke Stibo uzohluza njayami. Le I right le I wrong uzophila lana. If ever umuntu ukuloku njanile une advice ethize asiyazi, but it was a good game of football, and the most important thing akhona ama advice yabona lama advice wama kiss this kiss that awu control labantu you can't control over them ama kiss banelona laba ama advice wrong ilamza awu control ya control lo bayathanda abantu abathanda abantu ajabulile all of a sudden no sekunama advisors amaningi ukuthi Stibo this Stibo that advisors